Today on the menu is a popular dish from south of India. It is refreshing, easy to make and packed with flavor. Today it is all about taking bland rice to the ultimate level of yumminess. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. And this is my way of making lemon rice. Pan over medium heat and then butter, followed by a little bit of oil to prevent the butter from burning. Butter is my inclusion in the recipe. You can use only oil or ghee. I feel butter brings in an excellent taste to this dish. Once the butter melts, it's time for the whole spices. Black mustard seeds and then cumin seeds. Toast the seeds for a few seconds and allow them to splutter. But please remember not to add the seeds in very hot oil as they may burn. And if they burn, everything will turn bitter. Next, dried red chillies enter the pan. Dried red chillies give that beautiful smoky flavor. You can use any type of dried red chillies. Then green chillies enter the scene. Please give a little slit with your knife at one end of your green chillies, or else they may burst once they hit that hot pan, and a bursting green chilli is really very dangerous. Then comes finely chopped ginger. Now I have used two types of nuts, peanuts and cashew nuts. Usually urad dal and chana dal are added along with the peanuts, but I don't want you to buy urad and chana just for this recipe. So I used cashew nuts instead, and I always add cashew nuts as my family likes it more. Fry the nuts on medium-low heat till they turn golden brown in color, but do not let them turn too dark as burnt nuts taste horrible. And we are not making lemon rice with burnt peanuts and cashew nuts. Once the nuts get well fried, next comes curry leaves. Unfortunately, there is no substitute for curry leaves. They have their own unique flavor, so if you are unable to find them, then just make the recipe without them. It will still be delicious. Now reduce the heat to the lowest possible mark, and then comes the sunshine of the dish, turmeric powder. But remember guys, if you add it at a high heat, then it will burn. Salt, little bit of sugar to balance the acidity from the lemon. Next comes the star of the show, lemon juice. Always use lemon juice and not lime, as lime will be too overpowering. And do not stir too much after adding the lemon juice. Immediately add cooked rice. I am using leftover rice from last night. You can even freshly cook your rice. I always use short grain rice for this recipe. You can even use Basmati rice if that's what is there in your pantry, but usually short grain rice is used. Then I like to add lemon zest. Again, this is my addition to the recipe. I find zest from the lemon adds up to the fruitiness and freshness to the dish. If you find any lumps of rice, then break them gently with your spoon. Stir the rice on a low heat. And remember guys, we are not making fried rice today, so no high heat. You just want to warm up the rice along with those other ingredients. Mix the rice very well with all the ingredients so that each grain of rice gets a touch of all that goodness. It is so refreshing and you will get the flavor from each and every element that has gone into this dish. Serve this with any vegetable or chicken curry. I have listed some of my favorites in the description box, or the videos are showing up on the screen. Please smash that like button so that this video reaches out to more people. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.